Welcome back to ARR Education. My name is Reshman, and today we are going to do the first part of transport in animals. In this part, we are going to learn what is transport in animals, why we need it, and through what it is carried in detail. So, what does the transport in animals deal with? That means what we are going to learn about in this chapter. Well, you might think after hearing this name, transport in animals, that I know that animals are transported from place to place. Then what transport is this guy talking about which is going on inside animals? And my answer is I'm talking about the transport of food, water, and nutrients in animals. So I hope now you are clear and let us start. So, why do we need a transport system in animals first of all? Animals do need a transport system, including a human like you. So, we need transport when two cells are far from each other and materials like food, water, oxygen, and nutrients, and even wastes need to be moved from one place to the other. So, you know that all organisms need food, water, and oxygen for survival. So they need to transport all these. Even wastes need to be transported so that they can be removed out from the body. So you know that there are different systems carrying out separate functions in the body which are all necessary for us. So there must be a transport system also, right? So it is our circulatory system. Our circulatory system consists of the heart, the blood vessels, and the blood. So let us talk about the blood. The blood is a body fluid in humans and other animals that delivers necessary substances such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and transports metabolic waste products away from those same cells. Blood is red in color. It is red in color due to the presence of a red pigment called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein composed of two parts. First, heme, which means iron. It is located in the center, and it is also made up of globin, which is the second part. It is a protein. When it combines with oxygen, it forms oxyhemoglobin that makes the red color of the blood bright. When it combines with carbon dioxide, however, it forms carbaminohemoglobin, which gives a bluish black or blackish red color to the blood. It gives a dark color, which isn't good for your body. So that's why you are always said you have to be away from carbon dioxide and decrease it. Now let us come to the components of the blood. They are plasma, which makes up more than half of the blood. Second, red blood cells, whose short form is RBCs. White blood cells, whose short form is WBCs. And platelets, which are very small. So let us talk about plasma first. Plasma makes up almost 55% of the blood. 92% of that 55% is water. That means plasma is 92% water. Its function is to carry its components, which are water, glucose, nutrients, wastes, gases, hormones, etc. Well, it also contains proteins which help in clotting of blood. Now, let us come to RBCs or red blood cells. The RBCs are disc shaped cells whose main function is to carry carbon dioxide and oxygen. One amazing fact is that there are 4 to 6 billion RBCs in 1 ml of blood. That means there are 400 to 600 crore red blood cells in just an ml of blood. This tells us how small each of them is. Yeah, but if they combine, it makes a lot. You know how much blood is there in your body. The RBCs contain the hemoglobin of the blood, so it is red. So these RBCs give blood its red color while the hemoglobin gives RBCs its red color. So that indirectly means that the hemoglobin only gives blood its red color. The RBCs are also known as erythrocytes. Now let us come to WBCs or white blood cells. The white blood cells aren't exactly white as you might have thought. They are actually a little colorless. There are about 45 lakhs to 1 crore white blood cells in an ml of blood. Even though it is lesser compared to RBCs, still the number is high. The white blood cells are also known as leukocytes. So, what are the functions of WBCs? So, they protect the body against bad bacteria, viruses, parasites, and cancerous cells. They remove most of the toxin substances such as toxins and wastes. They destroy dead, abnormal, and worn out cells. They participate in the inflammatory and immune response. Now let us learn about platelets. Platelets, also known as thrombocytes, are colorless blood cells that help the blood clot. The usual count of platelets is 1,50,000 to 4,50,000 per ml. Platelets are produced in a thing called bone marrow. It is found inside the bone, as the name suggests. The platelets help in blood clot when we bleed. So, what are the functions of the blood? The blood has three main functions: transport, protection, and regulation. Transport. Blood transports the following substances: gases, namely oxygen and carbon dioxide, between the lungs and rest of the body, nutrients from the digestive tract and storage sites to the rest of the body, waste products to be detoxified or removed by the liver and kidneys, hormones from the glands in which they are produced to their target cells, heat to the skin so as to help regulate the body temperature. Protection. Blood has several roles in inflammation. Leukocytes or white blood cells destroy invading microorganisms and cancer cells. Antibodies and other proteins destroy pathogenic substances. Platelet factors initiate blood clotting and help minimize blood loss. Regulation. Blood helps to regulate pH level by interacting with acids and bases. It also regulates water balance by transferring water to and from tissues. So these are two tables telling you everything about the types of blood cells in brief. Okay, guys, so as I said, this is just the first part of transport in animals. Next part will be launching very soon. And don't forget to like, share, and comment this video for me and your friends because this can be helpful for them also. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can watch more videos like this and gain more knowledge to get good marks. You can watch this video again to be even more clear. Hope you like this video. Bye and have a great day.